Good morning, children. Once again, we are back with our classes and we are going to revise English alphabets that we have covered in the last term, A to O. So, just we will repeat today. See here, A for apple. You see here, A for apple. B for bat. Very good. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. F for fish. G for girl. H for hen. I for ice cream. See here, ice cream. J for joker or J for juice. See here, J for joker or J for juice. Then comes K. K for kite. See here, K for kite. L for lion. Very good. M for monkey. N for nest. Very good. O for orange. So far we have covered this many alphabets, A to O. Once again we are going to repeat all these alphabets. Yes, so that you will be able to have the proper pronunciation. Once again we will see A for apple, and even we have learnt other words also, and aeroplane. All these words starts with the letter A. B for bat, bus, ball. C for cat, car, cake. Do you like cake? And when do you eat cake? Yes, on different birthdays or different occasions. D for dog, doll. Very good. This is duck. D for duck. E for egg. Eye. Very good. And where is your eye? Where are your eyes? Yes, how many eyes do you have? 2. Very good. But here in this picture, how many eyes you can see? 1 eye. Very good. This is elephant. E for elephant. Now see F for fish. What is this? Yes, you call it mendak in Hindi. It's called frog in English. What it is? Frog. And what is the color of this frog? Green. Say green. F for fan. Do you use fan? आप फैन यूज़ करते हो? कब? वेरी गुड. जब गर्मी होती है बहुत, आप फैन का प्रेफर करते हो. G for गर्ल. ग्रेप्स. ग्रेप्स कैसे होते हैं? How does it taste? Sour. Sometimes sweet. Giraffe. H for hen, hat, horse. Very good. I for ink pot. In this there is ink, and which is put into your pen. You don't use pen, but those who use, they use this ink. I for ice cream, and we like it. Igloo. Very good. J for jam. Where do we use? Yes, we apply on butter or roti and we eat. Joker. What does the joker do? Yes, he makes us to laugh. Different activities. Very good. J for juice. Do we drink juice or eat juice? Yes, we drink juice. K for key. This is key. Kite. Very good. You like to fly kites? Yes, you enjoy. K for kettle. L for lion. Lemon. Lamp. M for monkey. Mouse. Where the mouse is used? Yes, on the computer. Mobile. You like mobile? Yes. And what do you do with this mobile? You play different games and don't do any studies. So sometimes we need to play on the mobile the different games, but at the same time we need to study. Children, keep in mind our study also is more important than the mobile playing games. Okay. N for nest. N for nurse. When you are sick, who gives you the medicine? Nurse. N for noodles. You like noodles? Yes. O for orange. Onion. Octopus. Say octopus. So now what we are going to do, today is the first day, as we already have begun. We will write down alphabets, capital and small, A to O, for one time in our copies. One time capital alphabets and one time small alphabets on the line. Yes, and you will write it in the English copy of the 4 lines. The capital letters will be written on the first 3 lines and the small letters accordingly. Okay, so today the homework for you to write down in your English copy the capital and the small letters A to O. Keep the gap in between each letter. So in one line you can put only the 4 alphabets. In one line you put only the 4 alphabets. So it will be good for you. It will be neat and tidy. Okay. See you.